Hello students, now you have completely understood the concept of arc of the circle. Now we will see first question from exercise 3.3 10th State Board Geometry book. Now see here, given is that point G, F, D, E are concyclic points of a circle. D, E, F, G are concyclic points. All the points are present on the circle, or if all the points are joined, then we can form a cyclic quadrilateral. Now just think that D, E, F, G are concyclic point means each point is present on the circumference. C is the center of the circle. C is the center of the circle. This information is very helpful to determine the central angle. Now what is given? Angle ECF is 70 degree and measure of arc DGF is 200 degree, that is given. And what we have to find out? Measure of arc DE and measure of arc DEF. Okay. Now I am starting. Again I will draw a circle. C is the center of the circle. CE is radius of the circle and CF is radius of the circle. Therefore, here is angle ECF. In angle ECF, vertex of the angle is center of the circle. Therefore, this ECF is central angle. Angle ECF is equal to measure of arc EF. Cap. Cap means corresponding central angles property. Angle ECF is a central angle. Central angle property is that measure of central angle is equal to the corresponding minor arc. Minor arc, measure of arc is less than 180 degree. But angle ECF is 70 degree, that is given. Therefore, measure of arc EF is 70 degree. Here will be equation number 1. Now we will find out measure of arc DEF. How? Let us see. I will draw a circle again. D, G is arc. GF is one arc. EF is also arc and DEF is one arc. Now I have the value of DGF. DGF and EF. Okay. If I will add the measure of arc DE, then whole measure will be 360 degree. Therefore, to get the value of measure of arc DE, I will subtract the addition of measures of remaining two arcs from 360 degree. DGF plus measure of arc EF. Now here what happens? 360 degree minus measure of arc DGF, which is 200, and EF is 70 degree. 360 degree minus 270 degree and answer is 90 degree. So what is the measure of arc DE? It is 90 degree. But question is DE is 90 degree. Now finally we will find out measure of arc DEF. Again I will draw a figure here. DEF means to get the answer, to get the measure of arc DEF, what I will do? I will add measures of arc DE and measure of arc EF. Now measure of arc DE is 90 degree and measure of arc EF is 70 degree. Calculated. 90 plus 70 is 160 degree. Hence, here measure of arc DE is calculated, measure of arc DF is calculated. In this whole question, the property of central angle is used here. So again I am repeating the property. If the vertex of the angle is the center of the circle. This is the central angle, and measure of central angle is equal to the measure of corresponding minor arc, as well as arcs. Measure of arcs can be added and can be subtracted. Measure of whole circle is 360 degree.